Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jawad from Total Health and Wellness Center. What I'm going to talk about today is the role of vitamin K, predominantly vitamin K2. Now vitamin K, it's a fat-soluble vitamin, and the major role in vitamin K is its role in blood clotting. And we get most of the vitamin K in our daily diet through green leafy vegetables like kale, spinach, and broccoli. And what most people don't realize that there's actually two types of vitamin K. You have vitamin K1 and also vitamin K2. Now again, vitamin K1 plays a role in blood clotting, but most people don't realize that vitamin K2 actually assists the metabolism of calcium. So when calcium isn't metabolized properly, actually it deposits itself in the soft tissues, mostly the arteries, which leads to calcification of the arterial system, which leads to decreased vascular function. So when you have an increased calcification in the arterial system, you're actually creating a decrease in vascular health. So this is why the role of K2 is so important to prevent heart disease and also to improve overall heart health. So it also works with vitamin D to help metabolize calcium. So when you are taking vitamin D, you're actually increasing the vitamin K2 dependent proteins. So you want to take them together. So if you're increasing your vitamin D, you definitely want to increase your vitamin K2. So they work together to improve overall heart health and also to improve overall bone density. Okay, so you have vitamin K, you have vitamin K1, which is involved in blood clotting, and that's found predominantly in the green leafy vegetables like the kale, the broccoli, and the spinach. Then you have vitamin K2, which is involved directly with calcium metabolism. Then vitamin K2 breaks down into two more categories. It's MK4, which is menaquinone 4, and that's a short chain, and that's found in butter, egg yolks, and animal-based foods. Now MK4, that's what you want to look out for because that is actually the most beneficial to our body. And then you also have MK7, which is known as menaquinone 7, and that's a longer chain, and that's found predominantly in intestinal bacteria fermentation, which isn't as effective. It's still needed, but it's not as effective as MK4, which again is involved in overall heart health. Okay, now the two most important questions that I get asked by my patients are one, dosage, and two, believe it or not, what brand do I recommend? Now there's many brands out there, but I do have a favorite. The dosage that we should take, research has shown that we need to take in a minimal of 2,000 micrograms a day, of which 100 micrograms should be in the form of MK7, and the minimal amount of MK4 should be in the realm of 180 micrograms to 200 micrograms a day. Now, when should you take it? Remember, vitamin D and vitamin K2, they work synergistically for overall heart health and also to overall bone metabolism. So I always recommend to take vitamin D and vitamin K2 together in the morning, first thing in the morning with a breakfast, because remember they're a fat-soluble vitamin, so you want to take it with a fatty food. Now, the brand I recommend, again, there's many brands out there. I like Now. I've known Now, I've used them for a long time. I trust Now, I've been to the factory, I see how they make their vitamins. However, there's many brands out there, so we all have a favorite. Also too, vitamin K2 can be found predominantly in Kerrygold butter. Now, Kerrygold butter, the benefit of Kerrygold butter or cultured butter is that it's made by the grass-fed cows, not the hormone-induced cows. Okay, so it's a more natural form. So remember, you want to take vitamin K2 with vitamin D because again, you have calcium metabolism, it helps with that. So again, it doesn't help. What it's going to do is it's going to prevent the buildup of calcification in the arteries, and it's going to help have improved heart health and bone health. So I hope you like what you watched, and if you did, please click the like button and also too share with a friend. As always, thank you very much for watching. I'm Dr. Jawad. You can see more of my videos at www.totalhealthdupage.com. You could see me you could like me on Facebook and see other videos that I'm making. And as always, be well. Thank you.